If you want to make money online in 2025, you need to know the latest AI tools that can save you time, boost your productivity, and even replace expensive freelancers. In this video, I'll show you 5 brand new AI tools released this year that you can use to start or scale your online business. Let's dive in. Number 1. Grok Code Fast 1 by XAI. This is an advanced coding AI that writes, debugs, and optimizes code in seconds. Developers are using it to build apps and websites way faster. The money angle? Freelancers and agencies charge hundreds to thousands of dollars for coding projects. With Grok, you can deliver faster, take on more clients, and increase your profits. Quick question. Would you trust AI to build your app or website? Comment yes or no below. Number 2. MAI Voice 1 by Microsoft. This is a super fast AI speech model that generates 1 full minute of realistic audio in less than a second. Perfect for podcasts, audiobooks, or YouTube voiceovers. The money angle? Voice actors charge $50 to $200 per project. With MAI Voice, you can offer professional audio services or automate your own faceless YouTube channel. Would you use AI voiceovers in your content? Drop a yes or no in the comments. Number 3. Nano Banana from Google. This new AI image editor inside Gemini creates and edits visuals in multiple steps. You can blend photos, add creative effects, and generate professional designs instantly. The money angle? Designers charge $50 to $200 for graphic design work. With Nano Banana, you can create social media posts, ads, or even logos, and sell them as a service. So tell me, would you pay for an AI-made design, or do you prefer human designers? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. Lumio AI. This is an all-in-one workspace that connects multiple AIs, like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, in one platform. You can compare outputs, pick the cheapest or best model, and even build custom AI agents. The money angle? Productivity consultants charge clients for workflow optimization. With Lumio, you can build smarter systems for businesses or use it to save yourself hours of work. Would you rather stick to one AI or use them all together? Comment solo or all in below. And number 5. Manus. This is one of the first fully autonomous AI agents. It doesn't just follow prompts, it plans, reasons, and executes tasks on its own. Think of it like a digital employee that never sleeps. The money angle? Virtual assistants get paid $20 to $50 per hour. Manus can do admin, content, and tech tasks at scale, so you could build an automation business around it. Would you let AI run your daily tasks, or even part of your business? Comment yes or no below. And those are the top 5 AI tools of 2025 that you can start using to make money online today. From coding to design, from voiceovers to automation, these tools open brand new opportunities if you're ready to take action. Which one do you want me to make a full tutorial on? Comment your pick and make sure to follow for more AI money hacks every week.